Write a letter to your brother about importance of science subjects. Examination hall, city, date. Dear brother, I hope this letter will find you in best of your health and spirit. I am happy to hear that you have passed the middle standard examination with good marks. You will surely get a scholarship. You know that you have been studious one in the family. We all know that hard work is the key to success. You have now promoted to class ninth, and it is time to choose whether you would like to study humanities or science subjects. The world has progressed very much in the field of science and technology. All modern knowledge of medicine, engineering, and communication lies in science. So, I would advise you to study science subjects. Without knowing the basic science, it is hard to be successful in present world. By Edward Teller, the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. After the completion of science education, you will have a lot of opportunity for a nice career. I wish you become very successful in your future. Wishing you all the best. Your loving brother XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.